Just an old, regular, old disposable camera. Things that we don't use anymore. You take off the outer casing of it, and you're left with this. Show you the outer casing of it right here. And slip it on, it would be like that. Take this off and break it off, doesn't really matter. And you throw that wherever you want, and just some fun you can do with when you're really bored like I am right now. I'm not sure if it's going to affect it, but you may want to take the film out like I did. Right here. Find where the flash is, where the flash button was, and I just used the end of this because I don't know. I have another camera that I got a shock from, and just to make sure that doesn't happen, you charge it up by doing this. And when the light flashes, these wires are hard to see where you hit them. There's two wires here. Right here, right above the lens, right? The lens is here, if you don't know that. Right above the lens, there's two metal wires, right here and here. What you do is you touch them together and the flash will go off. I don't know. I just figured that out and so bored. I don't know. So you touch them together and there you have it.